Want a professional logo without hiring a designer? I'll show you how to make one in Photoshop, fast and free. Whether for a brand or YouTube, it works. Let's get started. Let's set up the page. Choose the resolution and click Create. Select the Text tool, shortcut T, and type MQ in the canvas. Change the font to ethnocentric or any preferred style, then increase the text size for better visibility. Center the text. If the Align Centers tabs aren't visible, click on the three dots. Under Align To, select Canvas, and then click Align Horizontal Centers and Align Vertical Centers to center the text. Right-click on the text layer and select Rasterize Type to convert it into an editable object. Use the Magic Wand tool, click on the M, then right-click and select Layer via Cut to separate the letters. Rename the layers. Double-click Layer 1, rename it to M*, then double-click MQ and rename it to Q. Move the Q layer to the top, right-click, and go to Blending Options. Select Color Overlay, choose a color, and apply it. Repeat the same steps for the M* layer. Right-click Blending Options, Color Overlay, Apply Color. Adjust the Q position by dragging it slightly left and down. Select the ME layer, duplicate it, Ctrl-J, and move the duplicate to the top. Open Blending Options, select Color Overlay, and choose a purple color for the duplicate layer. Use the Eraser tool to remove any unwanted areas around the text. Select the Quick Selection tool, pick the purple parts separately, then go to Select, Modify, Expand, and set it to 8 pixels. Click on the Q layer and press Delete to remove the expanded selection. Deselect the selection, Ctrl-D, then delete the M copy layer by right-clicking and choosing Delete Layer. Select both layers by holding Ctrl, right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Click on Add a Layer Style and select Blending Options. Apply Bevel and Emboss to define the shape and depth of the text. Adjust size, soften, and shading settings. Enable Inner Shadow to create a recessed effect. Modify opacity, distance, and size for a subtle look. Add Shot Inner Glow for a smooth lighting effect along the edges. Adjust opacity and size. Apply Satin to create a glossy or metallic texture. Adjust opacity, distance, and size. Enable Outer Glow to highlight the edges, tweaking opacity, spread, and size. Finally, add Drop Shadow to give the logo a three-dimensional appearance. Modify opacity, distance, spread, and size. Once everything looks good, click OK. Your logo is ready. Ready to learn more? In the next video, we'll explore more exciting features of Photoshop. Subscribe so you don't miss it.